Ever dreamt of turning your laptop into a money-making machine? Welcome to the world of affiliate marketing, where dreams become reality. 2023 is blazing a trail, and we're here to conquer it. Remember Pat Flynn? He started from scratch and now showcases those jaw-dropping income reports on Smart Passive Income. And then there's Michelle Schroeder-Gardner, turning heads with her incredible success stories on making sense of sense. Are you ready to unlock the secrets? From rookie moves to pro-level plays, we're unpacking it all. We'll be your guide on this exciting journey. But first, one quick favor. Please smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring that bell icon. Let's make 2023 our year of breakthroughs. Affiliate marketing basics. Alright, let's kick things off with the essentials. What exactly is affiliate marketing? Well, imagine being the bridge that connects a product to a potential buyer. And every time someone walks over that bridge and makes a purchase, you get a commission. Sounds pretty simple, right? But there's so much more beneath the surface. Affiliate marketing is a symbiotic dance between marketers, products, and consumers. It's not just about promoting, it's about understanding needs, solving problems, and building trust. Think of it as a recommendation from a friend. When your friend suggests a great restaurant, you're more likely to try it out. Similarly, as an affiliate marketer, you're that friend giving recommendations. The beauty of this model? Passive income. You set things up, and when done right, you can earn even while you sleep. It's scalable, meaning you can start small and grow big. And the flexibility? Unparalleled. Work from anywhere, anytime. But here's the catch. Success in affiliate marketing doesn't come overnight. It requires strategy, patience, and a dash of creativity. But don't fret, we're here to guide you every step of the way. So, buckle up as we embark on this exciting journey into the world of affiliate marketing, selecting the right niche and products. Alright, on to one of the most crucial steps in your affiliate marketing journey. Picking your niche and products. Think of your niche as your playground. It's where you'll spend your time, build your expertise, and make your mark. But how do you choose the right one? First, passion must meet profit. It's essential to pick a niche that you're passionate about. Why? Because when you love what you do, it doesn't feel like work. But passion alone won't pay the bills. Your chosen niche should also have profit potential. Look for areas with high demand and low competition. Tools like Google Trends or Keyword Planner can be your best friends here. Now onto the products. The golden rule: quality over quantity. Promote products that you believe in, products that you've used yourself. Remember, your reputation is on the line. Research is key. Dive into the reviews, test the products, and understand their benefits. But there's more. Aligning products with your audience's needs is paramount. If your niche is fitness, promoting a new diet supplement might be a hit. But that same product? Probably not a fit for a tech audience. Lastly, consider the commission structure. Some products might offer a smaller commission but sell like hotcakes, while others might have a hefty commission but a lower sales volume. In essence, selecting the right niche and products is a blend of passion, research, and strategy. It's about finding that sweet spot where your interests meet market demand. And with the insights that we share in our full Amazon affiliates training, linked in the video description, you'll be well on your way to making informed choices that set the stage for success. Platforms and programs. Venturing into affiliate marketing is like stepping into a bustling marketplace. There are countless stalls, or platforms, each offering unique products and opportunities. But where should you set up shop? Let's dive deep into the world of affiliate platforms and programs. First up, the big players. Amazon Associates, the giant of e-commerce, offers a vast product range, making it a go-to for many beginners. Its strength: diversity. Whether you're into tech, fashion, or books, Amazon has something for you. But remember, while its vast product range is a boon, the commission rates can be on the lower side. Then there's ClickBank, a haven for digital products and online courses. If you're into niches like self-help, fitness, or online education, ClickBank might be your gold mine. The platform is known for its high commissions, but it's crucial to pick products with a good reputation. ShareASale, another powerhouse, boasts a mix of physical and digital products. With its user-friendly interface and detailed analytics, It's a favorite among many affiliates. But these are just the tip of the iceberg. There are niche-specific platforms like CJ Affiliate, Rakuten Advertising, and many more. Each platform has their own perks and quirks. A pro tip: don't put all of your eggs in one basket. Diversify. Experiment with multiple platforms to see which align best with your niche and audience. In summary, the world of affiliate platforms is vast and varied. It's about finding the right fit, understanding the nuances, and leveraging them to your advantage. Content creation and curation. Content is the heartbeat of affiliate marketing. It's how you communicate, engage, and ultimately persuade. But with a sea of content out there, how do you stand out? Well, let's unravel the art of content creation and curation. First and foremost, authenticity is key. In a world of copy-paste, originality shines. Whether you're writing a blog post, shooting a video, or crafting a tweet, your unique voice and perspective are what will draw people in. Ask yourself, would I click on this? Would I share this? Okay, now let's talk about curation. Think of yourself as a museum curator. You are handpicking the best pieces to showcase. In the digital realm, this means sifting through a plethora of information and presenting the gems to your audience. It's not just about sharing others' content, but adding your own unique spin to it. Why is it relevant to your audience? How does it align with your niche? But here's a golden nugget: leverage tools. Platforms like Canva can elevate your graphics game, making your content visually appealing. Tools like Feedly or Pocket can help you stay updated with the latest in your niche, making curation a breeze. And remember, it's not just about creation or curation, it's about building trust. Every piece of content should add value, solve a problem, or answer a question. Over time, as you consistently deliver quality, you'll become the go-to source in your niche. Lastly, engage. Encourage comments, spark discussions, and create a community around your content. It's a two-way street. Listen to your audience, understand their needs, and tailor your content accordingly. In essence, content creation and curation are a blend of art and science. It's about striking a balance between originality, value, and engagement. We'll have a link in the video description to a course that goes deep into how you can do just this. Social media powerhouses. Welcome to the digital age, where social media isn't just about connecting with friends. It's a powerhouse for affiliate marketers. Let's navigate the bustling streets of the social media metropolis. Starting with the visual wonderland, Instagram. It's more than just pretty pictures. It's a platform where storytelling meets selling. From swipe-up links in stories to shoppable posts, Instagram offers a plethora of opportunities for affiliates. The key? Engaging visuals paired with compelling captions. And don't forget IGTV and Reels for longer-form content. Next stop, Pinterest. Often underestimated, Pinterest is a goldmine for affiliates, especially in niches like DIY, fashion, and home decor. It's a platform where inspiration meets action. Create visually appealing pins, use keyword-rich descriptions, and direct users to your affiliate links. YouTube, the video giant, is a realm of its own. From in-depth reviews to tutorials, the platform is perfect for affiliates looking to provide value through video content. The magic formula? Quality content, engaging thumbnails, and a clear call to action. And yes, don't forget to optimize your video descriptions with affiliate links and disclaimers. Facebook and Twitter? They are not relics of the past. With the right strategy, these platforms can drive significant traffic. Think Facebook groups centered around your niche, or Twitter threads that dive deep into a topic. And let's not forget the rising stars, TikTok and Clubhouse. Short-form content, challenges, and real-time discussions are reshaping the affiliate landscape. But here's the golden rule: know your audience. Each platform has its demographics and dynamics. Tailor your approach accordingly. And remember, it's not about being everywhere, it's about being where your audience is. In a nutshell, social media is a vast, vibrant world. With the right strategies, you can harness its power, amplify your reach, and skyrocket your affiliate earnings. Advanced strategies and secrets. Once you've got the basics down, it's time to elevate your game. Welcome to the realm of advanced strategies and closely guarded secrets that can propel your affiliate marketing to new heights. First on the list, segmentation. Not all of your audience is the same. By segmenting your audience based on interests, behaviors, or demographics, you can tailor your content and offers, ensuring higher conversion rates. Tools like email marketing platforms can be invaluable here, allowing you to send targeted campaigns to specific segments. Next, the power of retargeting. Have you ever browsed a product and then seen it pop up everywhere online? That's retargeting in action. By using retargeting ads, you can re-engage potential customers who have shown interest in your affiliate products but haven't converted. SEO for affiliate marketing is another game changer. While many focus on SEO for their main content, optimizing your affiliate content can drive organic traffic and boost conversions. Dive deep into keyword research, optimize your content, and ensure you're providing value to rank higher on search engines. Now, let's talk funnels. A well-structured sales funnel can guide a potential customer from awareness to conversion seamlessly. Integrate lead magnets, email sequences, and targeted content to nurture leads and drive them towards making a purchase. And here's a secret that many overlook: building relationships. Forge strong relationships with product creators or companies. This can open doors to exclusive deals, higher commissions, or even early access to products. Lastly, always be on the lookout for emerging trends. The digital landscape is ever evolving. By staying updated with the latest trends, tools, and strategies, you ensure that you're always ahead of the curve. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. Every journey has its bumps and turns, and affiliate marketing is no exception. But what if you could foresee these obstacles and navigate around them? Let's shine a light on some common mistakes and, more importantly, how to sidestep them. Spreading too thin. One of the most common pitfalls is trying to promote too many products at once. The result? A diluted message and a confused audience. The remedy? Focus. Choose a handful of products that align with your niche and your audience, and promote them effectively. Ignoring product quality. Promoting a product without vetting its quality can harm your reputation. Always ensure that the products that you endorse are of high quality and deliver on their promises. Neglecting content quality. In the rush to monetize, some marketers compromise on content quality. Remember, content is your primary tool for building trust. Prioritize value, authenticity, and relevance in every piece you create. Overlooking analytics. Operating blindly without tracking your results is a recipe for stagnation. Use analytics tools to monitor your performance, understand what's working, and refine your strategies. Not disclosing affiliate relationships. Transparency is crucial. Always disclose your affiliate relationships to your audience. It builds trust and ensures that you're compliant with regulations. Stagnation. The digital landscape is dynamic. What worked yesterday might not work today. Always be open to learning, adapting, and evolving your strategies. Not engaging with your audience. Affiliate marketing isn't a one-way street. Engage with your audience, respond to their queries, and build a community. It fosters loyalty and boosts conversions. Tools and resources. In the world of affiliate marketing, having the right tools in your arsenal can be the difference between good and great. It's like being a chef. With the right utensils, you can craft a masterpiece. Let's explore the tools, resources, and automation techniques that can supercharge your affiliate journey. Keyword research tools. Platforms like SEMrush and Ahrefs are invaluable. They help you identify high-traffic keywords, understand competition, and optimize your content for search engines. Affiliate dashboards. Tools like Thirsty Affiliates or Pretty Links help manage and cloak your affiliate links, making them more user-friendly and trackable. Email marketing platforms. ConvertKit, MailChimp, and Aweber are just a few names that can help you build and segment your email list, automate campaigns, and nurture leads. Analytics and tracking. Google Analytics is a must-have. Dive deep into your traffic sources, understand user behavior, and refine your strategies based on data-driven insights. Social media schedulers. Platforms like Buffer or Hootsuite allow you to schedule posts, track social media engagement, and analyze results, making your social media efforts more streamlined. Landing page builders. Tools like ClickFunnels or Lead Pages help you create high-converting landing pages for your affiliate offers. optimizing the user journey from click to conversion. Learning resources. Stay updated with platforms like Udemy or Coursera. They offer courses on affiliate marketing, helping you to sharpen your skills and stay ahead of the curve. If you're looking for useful tools and resources for Amazon affiliate marketing, we've got our own curated list linked in the video description. Emerging trends and updates. The digital landscape is ever-evolving, and staying ahead of the curve is crucial for success in affiliate marketing. As we navigate through 2023, there are several emerging trends and updates that are reshaping the affiliate world. Let's dive in. Video content dominance. Video content, especially short-form videos, is gaining a lot of traction. Platforms like TikTok and YouTube Shorts are becoming essential for affiliates looking to engage and convert younger audiences. AI and machine learning. Advanced algorithms are now helping affiliates understand user behavior better, predict trends, and personalize content. Tools that harness the power of AI can offer insights previously unimaginable. And tools like ChatGPT make it easier than ever to help you craft content that your audience will love. Sustainability and ethical marketing. Modern consumers are more conscious of sustainability and ethics. Affiliates promoting eco-friendly products or brands with a strong ethical stance are seeing higher engagement and trust. Diversification of platforms. While giants like Amazon remain dominant, there's a trend towards diversifying affiliate platforms. Niche-specific platforms and direct brand partnerships are on the rise. Interactive content. Quizzes, polls, and interactive videos are becoming popular tools for engagement. They offer a dynamic way to interact with users and guide them down the conversion funnel. The wrap-up. As we wrap up this deep dive into the world of affiliate marketing, it's essential to remember that success in affiliate marketing is a journey, not the destination. It's about continuous learning, adapting, and growing. From understanding the basics to harnessing advanced strategies, every step you take brings you closer to your goals. But here's the most crucial takeaway. Affiliate marketing is more than just selling products. It's about building genuine relationships, offering value, and making a positive impact on your audience's lives. It's a blend of art, science, and heart. As you embark or continue on this exciting journey, remember that you're not alone. The community is vast, supportive, and filled with individuals and resources ready to help. Stay curious, stay passionate, and most importantly, stay authentic. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of affiliate marketing. We hope the insights, strategies, and tips that we've shared empower you to reach new heights. Be sure to check the links in the video description if you want to learn more. Until next time, keep pushing boundaries and making waves in the digital realm. And we can't wait to see you in the next video.